Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Required. First, let's dive into understanding its fundamental principles. Zen Required is designed to streamline your workflow, boosting efficiency by up to 30%. We'll then cover the straightforward installation process, ensuring you get set up quickly. Finally, I'll guide you through configuring the initial settings, tailoring the tool to your specific project requirements for maximum benefit. Now, let's explore the core functionalities that make Zen Required so powerful. The user interface is designed for simplicity, allowing you to find what you need in just a few clicks. Discover how to effectively prioritize your tasks using the dedicated module, ensuring your most important work gets done first. We'll also look at the robust collaboration features, enabling seamless teamwork and communication across your projects. Now for the actual battery replacement. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is positive and which is negative. Carefully remove the depleted battery from its slot. Then, insert your new battery, making absolutely sure that the positive and negative terminals align correctly with the markings inside the compartment. This is crucial for proper function. To truly maximize your experience with Zen Required, adopting best practices is key. We recommend daily check-ins, spending just 5 to 10 minutes to track your progress and plan ahead. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your workflow can lead to efficiency gains of up to 25%. Remember, a wealth of resources is available, including detailed documentation and an active community forum, ready to assist you with any questions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.